Thanks for considering this NVivo workshop. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a research consultant and data analyst with over 9 years of experience working with world's top universities such as the University of Edinburgh and Oxford, and recognized brands such as Volvo or HSBC. In this course, I'll teach you how to use NVivo for your qualitative data analysis project. I'll start with the basics, so I'll explain the layout of the screen and explain how to set up your first NVivo project, and then I'll guide you through how to import your data, how to read it, how to organize it into folders and sets and cases, and how you can create your initial notes, how you can record your ideas, your expectations about the data, or your first impressions. Then of course I'll show you how to code your data. I'll show you several ways to code your data and also share my general logic for how to code and how to turn codes into themes, which is, in my opinion, just as important as understanding the exact functions of the software itself. And then in workshop 2, I'll go into a little bit more detail. I'll show you how to create cases and run queries and comparisons based on these cases. So I'll show you matrix coding query, crosstab query, text search query, and a few other things that you can do with your data. Of course, feel free to read more about the training under the video, but I guess the main message from me to you, or the reason why you should consider this training, is that it's organized in a way that's sequential and chronological, and it reflects the actual process of data analysis because it's based on the hundreds of projects that I have done in the past. So we'll start from the beginning and then we'll add to that complexity gradually. But in the meantime, I'll be responsive to your questions. There'll be Q&A sessions at the end of each training, and even after you're finished, I'm still available. Also, if you have any questions before the training, feel free to send me an email, and otherwise I hope to see you there.